Okay, so this video is based on solving the problems based on the Euclidean distance and the other distance measures which we have discussed. So first of all, we will solve a problem based on the Euclidean distance. So in this, there is a triangle, right angle triangle given with the x coordinates, that is the 5, 5, that is the x1, x2, and the y coordinates as 9 and 8. So by using the L1 norm, that is the Euclidean distance, we will calculate, that is the mod x1 minus x2 plus mod y1 minus y2. So we will solve this like this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So it will be 5 minus 9 plus mod 5 minus 8, and it will evaluate to be, that is the 4 plus 3, that is 7. Next we'll calculate the L2. L2 is nothing but mod of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. That is the square of this, that is the 4 square plus 3 square, which comes out to be 16 plus 9, that is 25, and square root of 25 is 5. Next is the L infinity, that is max of x1 and y1, or the xi and yi in fact. So we will write it as max of 4 comma 3, that is we will get as 4. So this is the Euclidean distance. Next we move on to the Manhattan distance. So Manhattan distance is in this distance basically two different columns are given. So based on these columns we will populate in another different table for calculating the distance. So we have this points as, we have this point and we have this attribute 1 and attribute 2. So first of all we have, that is the x1, x2, x3 and x4. We have 4 different points and we have the attribute values as 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 0, 4 and 5. So this is the table which they have given for calculating the Manhattan distance. So we'll construct a similar table based upon the x1, x2, x3 and x4 values. So we'll solve this also by two different norms, that is the L1 norm as well as the L2 norm. So first by going the L1 norm, we have now we have to construct one table, that is the x1, x2, x3 and x4, and similarly we have here, that is x1, x2, x3 and x4. Okay, so the distance between the same point is 0, as you can see, that is difference between 1, 1, that is 3, 3, 2, 2 and 4, 4, all it will be 0. So all the diagonals will be 0 in fact, that is x1 minus x1, that is 0, this will be 0, this will be 0 and this will be 0. Next we have to calculate the other columns, that is the distance between x1, x2. If you get the value of this, you can update it here also, that is x1 and x2. So you need not recalculate it again and again. So we can go one by one, that is the distance between x1 and x2. x1 and x2, that is 1 minus 3, that is 2. Everything is in mod, so you need not worry about the sign conventions. That is 2 plus 3, that is 5. So this is x1, x2, you can write it as 5 here also. Next we'll calculate x1 and x3. This x1, x3, 1 minus 2 is 1 and 2 minus 0 is 2. So it will be 3. And so it will be x1, x3, x1, x3. Next we have x1, x4, that is 1 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 5 is 3. So we have 3 plus 3, that is 6. So x1, x4 and x1, x4. Next we have x3 and x2. So we have x3, x2 as 3 minus 2 is 1 and this is 5. So we have 6 here. Next we have similarly you can update it here also, that is this is x2 x3, so x2 x3 here. Next is we have x2 and x4, so x2 x4 is here, it is 1 plus 0, that is 1, so x2 x4 is here. Next is x3 x4, only one value left, that is 2 plus 5, that is 7. So this is a table, shorthand table, can fill it very fast. So this is the L1 norm. Based upon the Manhattan distance, we'll calculate the L2 norm. That is, L2 norm is a square of these distances, in fact. So you can have a calculator and calculate all these values. The diagonals will be 0 and you will calculate all these distances. That is, you can just put the square root of this value. So it will be x1, x2, x3 and x4. L2 is equal to, and x1, x2, x3, x4. So this is basically the square, that is when you calculate x1, x2, you have 1 minus 3, that is 2 square, plus this 2 minus 5, that is 3 square. 2 square is 4 plus 9, that is 13. So under root of 13 you will get a value of 3 point, let me fill this first. You have 3.60, that is 3.6. Next you have 2.23, 4.24. Next you have, that is x4, x1 is 4.24 and 1 and 5.38. Next is 5.09 and 1 and 5.38. Next is 3.6, here it is 2.23 and 5.09. So this is a table after we